Hello, my name is Mark Rigby. I'd like to talk to you today about laptops and their usage in a traditional workstation scenario. The laptop itself, ironically, was not designed for sustained use. It was for short-term use. Unfortunately, we're using it far longer than we ever have done. The main issue from an ergonomic perspective, as I'm sure you can see, as I open this laptop, the keyboard isn't really the issue, it's actually the screen. As you can see, I'm looking down here now in a hunched position. This is curving my spine, putting pressure on the lower disc, bringing me forward from the back of the chair, whereby normally I would like to sit to the back of the chair, getting full support, utilizing the keyboard, but looking at my screen here. Unfortunately, I'm having to do this. This, as you can imagine, will bring in issues not only with the neck and upper back, but with lower back issues as well. So we now need to look at various solutions for solving this problem. Basically, let's close that laptop and have a look at a couple of solutions we can come up with. And here's the solution. The foldable aluminium laptop riser. As you can see, it's a lightweight device, portable. So now we can position that on our desk, open it up. And again, there's two settings to this. So this is the traditional laptop stand, as you may recognize, with the single height increment. With this, arguably, you could use it as a document holder or a book holder also. What I like about this particular one is it literally takes it to a new level, pardon the pun, whereby this will allow us now to take it that little bit further up in height. As you can see now, when I put my laptop on there, it's at a far greater height range. So now when I look straight ahead, the screen is at a far better position from an ergonomic perspective. I'm looking into the screen, looking at the top of the box. As with any laptop setup, we've got the height now in an optimum position. It's important to address the distance. And again, the rule of thumb is always no further away than arm's length. That's just in case you've got a touch screen. To complete the package now, because as you can see, this kind of negates the keyboard and central input device, which is a trackpad. We can't use those anymore. That would be to bring in a separate, wireless possibly, lightweight portable keyboard, and similarly a mouse. So now I can use my laptop via this keyboard and this mouse. This is the perfect solution. As always, see you next time, and if you have any questions or queries, please don't hesitate to reach out.